Like many people in lockdown, I picked up gardening, or truthfully, I finally had some time to garden. I've always had plants and loved poking around gardens, but this is a rental and decent sized pots are expensive, and I want to grow some veg. I also hadn't worked with wood for a while and had lots of free time, so homemade raised garden beds sounded like a good opportunity to play around. We don't have any fancy stable horses, so an old wooden tower rack and a weight created the temporary central support while I attached the sides together. To get my spacing right, I'm using old display phones from an old job. These are normally thrown out when the device stops being sold, but make great spacers, fabric weights, and cranks. Happily, it passed the stability test with flying colours. While the wood was pre-cut to size at the shop, I needed a slightly different length for the floor. This saw is from a $2 store, and while this is a step up from last time when I used the saw on my pocket knife, it reminded me why good tools are worth it. To fill, I bought some good quality potting mix designed for vegetables and flowers. And voila! Standing garden bed.